Hello and welcome to another video by UPlantTube. In this video we will see how efficient it is to grow asparagus in a raised bed. Here is a raised bed that I have purposely built for asparagus. These asparagus plants were planted by seed early 2017. The clip you are watching was taken on the 24th of June 2017. The raised bed was constructed by old pallets, and the old potting soil bags were used for insulation. The growing media I am using is your average potting soil, mixed with 20% compost. The raised bed is 40 centimeters by 250 with a height of 55 centimeters. The raised bed has only been varnished from the outside. The whole construction of the raised bed cost me near to nothing. Fortunately for me, the only thing I needed to buy was the varnish and the nails. Here we are a month later, and as you can see, the foliage is starting to grow. I believe this to be some type of cutworm, which is not beneficial for the garden. Asparagus can take 3 growing seasons to harvest, though you may be able to lightly harvest during the second year. Ideally, asparagus should be cut back in the fall, but it is important that you wait until all of the foliage has died back and turned brown or yellow. This will normally happen after the first frost, but can happen without frost in areas that do not receive frost. Asparagus should be grown in a dedicated bed where it comes back year after year and where weed competition will be low. This bed is shown in late summer. After spring harvest, asparagus plants grow tall with beautiful fern-like foliage through summer. In early fall, they begin to die back. Although most people prefer asparagus cooked, it is also safe to eat them raw. There are many recipes for eating asparagus raw. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, show your appreciation by giving this video a thumbs up, and if you have not already done so, subscribe to receive more exciting future videos. As for now, goodbye and see you in the next one.